Yeah, Julia.
So he can do the whole baby. Move your bag back, hon.
Julia, what'd you get?
Oh, that
What?
was too
Julia? Wow.
What is it?
Oh, she's walking her dog and
Her baby dog's in the carriage.
Talking about the dog. Where's the dog?
Does the dog drinking water? Jackie really walks?
Not eating or doing it.
Stop it.
What is it?
It's a Playmobil gym and that's what I want.
Ay.
Oh, you wrapped that
You
for me.
could open all of it and
amazing.
say now, don't you?
This is from you. It's from us, remember? Oh!
Lisa, I like your shirt. Where'd you get that shirt?
If you can get it out.
It's really a pretty shirt.
Do you want me to open this one up? Yeah. Good job, Otto.
What is it, Jules?
This one.
Lunch boxes? New lunch boxes.
So Otto will now have lunch boxes.
And a watermelon.
And you can put bottles to go with them. Or baseball cards.
Well, whatever.
Otto, that's not what you're supposed to do with that. Yeah, we just ripped it off. How about this? Will, I'm gonna return the one from Will.
I just had to rip the
More is not always better, Otto.
What do you,
Go get us, find a scissors.
what do you decorate it with?
Whatever you want. You put stick
I had to choose between
Oh, video, pull it off of that.
puppy for, the dog for, I had to choose for the dog.
What?
I said I had to choose for the dog, who got the dog Barbie.
Mom, I don't think what, honey? Do you have scissors? Do you have any?
Dog Barbie and what?
And this is, Harry, I guess. Hey, Harry. Here.
Holding the thermos. Hi, puppy. No.
Harry. Sit. Sit.
Don't hold
Sit.
one round.
Harry. Harry. Boy. Boy.
And I took them.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
So,
That'd be fun playing.
Hey, Willa, can we read this together tonight? Thank you. It looks so good. Whoa, who made that? Elise.
I have a feeling Liz did.
It's gorgeous.
Beautiful, Liz. How did you make that? I don't get it.
Jules, you want to put that in? That's gonna take a long time.
Oh, you bought the star at Michael's.
Give it to me.
That's who I got this.
Give it to me.
Me?
I had,
You can have the scissors after.
I have one like that.
Where's my tennis ball? I'm Taco Bell.
Thanks, Lisa.